We are back, baby, and I've got a cool texture removal for you today. First, we're going to sand this heavy texture with the Dewalt Drywall sander, then float it all smooth with the Columbia Tomahawk wiping blade. Be sure to wear your respirator. Even with the dust extractor, this is going to be a messy job. Alright, so the room's mostly knocked down. There's still some echoes of texture here and there, but I mean, you can get it pretty close to smooth, but it's a fine line when you're running 80 grit. You hang too long in one spot, you're down to paper, especially, you catch like a weird spot that sticks out like this, likes to jump on you, but I think 80 grit's probably the fastest way. I'll go through and spot sand everything with 100 grit. Not everything, but just in spots where I missed or whatever, because once you get going in that dust storm, it's real easy to miss stuff. So, go around and touch up stuff like this, and then we'll be ready to coat. Yeehaw. hit that subscribe button for me and I'll help you with your next project. If you like this video, check out one of these videos here and I'll see you on the next one.